Hey guys, hope you are doing well. This is video number 3 with the same outfit on. So yeah, I'm calling a spade a spade. I definitely have the same outfit on right now. Anyways, I wanted to talk to you guys about the new, what is this, Revlon Photo Ready Insta Blur foundation. This is in the shade Caramel. I finally figured out how to pump some out of the top. So I've got a little bit of product there. I don't necessarily straight off the bat love this applicator, but it's fine. I mean, I get that it's a sponge. A sponge is much better at blurring your foundation than a brush, which I'm staring at over here. But, so yeah, I get the reason why they do it. Anyways, let me see if I can just apply this. Let me grab my iPad and I will give you guys some marketing information. So I have my iPad. It says the description: it is a natural buildable coverage at home or on the go. Our blurring technology makes skin look as immaculate in person as it does on social. So it has 3.1 reviews on the Revlon website with 7 reviews. People are complaining that getting it out of the bottle is just a complete nightmare, and it is. So let me count the number of shades that it comes in. It's very limited. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shades. So I am in the shade, what is this, 400 Caramel. So I'm gonna take my glasses off really quick and apply it on half of my face to start. So initial reaction, Lil Mama is light. This might be like a winter shade. In the middle of my face, it looks fine. Let me stop here. I could bronze the outside of my face and I think this would look fine. I don't really go out too much during summer, so it does look a little light. I think the next shade down would honestly be way too dark, like way too dark. So let me stop here. It is more of like a winter shade for me, not gonna lie. Let me, because I like how it looks. So like right off the bat, it is very blurring. It might warm up to my face a little bit. Like looking at myself in the mirror, I have a bit of a white cast, but it's not horrible. Let me grab my bronzer. I'm not gonna build this. I don't think it's gonna look good built up, but I am using the Anastasia powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany. Here's what she looks like. Let me go in on this side of my face, just kind of warm up the outside. I do like how it matches the middle part of my face because I really struggle with finding a good foundation that does that. So if I warm up the outside of my face, it doesn't look horrible. I think because I only have half my face done, I look a little crazy, not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna warm it up like I normally would. That doesn't look bad. I think it matches, I think it matches the middle part of my chest. And when I'm like out and about and I've got like my tank tops on and stuff, I think it'll look fine. I don't want to get that much out of the thing though. You gotta be really careful pumping this. So I just want to do a little bit. I wouldn't necessarily build this up. I really don't like this applicator. This is terrible. I wouldn't necessarily build this up. This would just be good for some nice everyday coverage. But I think I definitely have to warm it up with a bronzer in order for it to work. And then I'll also go in the bathroom and take a picture because these lights are not great. They really just blow out how everything looks. So, because on my hand, it looks great. It's like right here, looks great. So it's just a little white. Like I look, you can really see with the bronzer on this side, I don't look bad. I might be trying to make this work when it doesn't work. Just adding a little color back to my face. See, that looks fine. That doesn't look terrible. I am gonna pick up the Fenty Mocha, was it Mocha Mommy foundation? I bought it and then returned it because the Sephora sale is happening. So I think layering that on top of it, this is a really nice color after putting a little bit of bronzer on because it matches the middle part of my face really well. All right, I am going to go in the bathroom, take a quick photo of myself so you guys can see, and then I will be right back. All right, I'm in my bathroom, so I wanted to show you guys this different lighting. I look fine. I think it's, and I used to get comments on this all the time. Sorry, this is shaky. I used to get comments on this all the time when I was filming, like pretty consistently. My vanity lights are not great for filming, so I wanted to show you guys that side of my face. And this side, I think if anything else, it's actually a little warm. I look really orange in the mirror. So I think I would need to use that blue that I was talking about to help kind of even it out. So LA Girl Pro has a mixing color that you can use that takes warmer foundations and makes them more neutral. So I would even consider using that. But looking at my chest, I look so white on camera. I'm gonna try really hard to put in a photo that makes it look like how I see it. So bear with me. That actually looks really good with the lights turned down. So anyways, sorry that part of the video was like super jiggly. I'm just like, trying to hold on to the camera. So sorry about that. But anyways, I like the way this looks. Like I was saying in the bathroom, it might be a little too orange. So I do want to try that mixing color. But I think with the bronzer, like this works. I like it. I look pretty daggone blurred for not using too much of it. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Like this is really nice. Just excuse my eyebrows. I didn't paint them on today. It did a nice job covering up my blemishes here. Like I said, the light does amplify what that looks like. I might have to mix in some yellow lighting with this. Right now I have like only white bulbs. So that might be the fix for that. But yeah, this looks really freaking good. I really like it. I mean, I wish there were more shades so that more people could have access to it. I also have, and let me know if you want to see a video. I love this. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation. This is also really nice. So I can do a quick get ready with me featuring this. If you guys want to see it, just comment down below. All right, guys, so I'm getting back in the swing of things with YouTube. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I was gone for a minute. So if you're new, hi. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming on back. That's my little jingle for you guys, trying to make it jazzy on here. So definitely check me out on Instagram. I do a lot of mental health, wellness, self-care, alternative medicine things, as well as I'm becoming a vegan. So I'm going to bring some of that content here to YouTube and also put up my podcast that I'm doing. So also shameless plug, I have to do this. So that's like a heads up, things are coming that are different. I have a new workbook that's out. It's 10 questions to ask yourself if you're making a change. So the workbook is for sale. I'm gonna be doing a 10-week coaching program. I'm a certified life coach. I only coach women. That is very important to me. So if you're interested in that, DM me on Instagram for more information. My first session is only gonna have slots for 10 women. So I'm really excited about that. If you have any questions, just give me a shout out over there. All right, guys, take care and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.